Ethereum is one of the most favorite altcoins for all the crypto bulls out there in the market. It has given a return of more than 3000% since the past 1 year and is currently ranked at number 2 for quite some time. And I believe it's going to continue holding that position for some time in the future as well. But there are some signals in the Ethereum chart that are a bit concerning to me, and I'm a bit worried about them. Stay tuned to today's video and find out what all do these signals mean and where these could lead Ethereum in the near future.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and today I welcome you on Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Furthermore, if you would like to discuss more about your portfolio and get a deep analysis on any particular coin, make sure you join us on Telegram on our community at Crypto Bulls Club. Also, if you want to read more about cryptocurrencies, make sure you visit our website and wherein we post interesting articles about cryptocurrencies. And here, what you can also do is book a crypto consulting session. So if you want an expert opinion on your portfolio or any particular coin you're looking to invest, you can get on a one-on-one session by just clicking on this link, which will take you to this Google form, and we will actually call you back once you fill it. Mind you, this is a paid service. So let's jump on to today's video. So today we are going to talk about Ethereum and what are some of the chart patterns it is forming. So over the last few days or weeks, Ethereum has been absolutely crushing it. It is giving a return of around 53% in the last 30 days. So the last 30 days has been more or less good for Ethereum. But there are some concerns in the chart that I feel a bit worried about. So let's jump onto the charts and see what are those things. So first of all, we are on the Ethereum US dollar chart and we are on the daily time frame. Now, first of all, I would like to highlight the positive things that are there on the chart. So first thing that comes to my notice is Ethereum, just like Bitcoin did some time back, is actually building this trend line and is actually following this trend for some time. So the first time it started building was on 28th of February. We have tested this trend line for like 2-3 times so far, and we are holding this as a good support as of now. So this is a very good thing that is coming out. Now let's take a quick look at the stochastic RSI and let's find out what is the momentum in Ethereum currently. If you have been following our channel, you would be knowing that we actually use the stochastic RSI to measure the momentum in the market. So on the stochastic RSI, what we are seeing is we are actually entered this zone over 20, and both the lines of the blue line and the red line are actually in the zone more than 20. Actually it is at around, the blue line is at around 57 and the red line is around the 42 level. So it's almost at the midpoint. We can say that the stochastic RSI is at currently. So that's a very good sign as far as we are concerned in the short term. Now let's move on to the weekly chart and see what are the patterns that are playing out there. On the weekly chart, so this trend line is obviously there, but there's one more thing. The stochastic RSI on the weekly chart is very, very powerful, right? So it indicates a strong momentum going for Ethereum, and we, as just like on the daily chart, we are well above the 20 zone in the weekly chart as well, and it's currently at around 44 level. So that is a great sign for Ethereum to grow. Now let's quickly measure what happened when Ethereum last entered into this zone of 20 and above. So the last time this happened was on 26th October and it lasted till 15th of February. So what was our gain percentage during that time? From 26th October, we'll take a quick measurement till 15th of February. So we gained a nominal 392%, right? So that's almost 5x of your money. Now, what could we expect this time around? So this time Ethereum has entered into this zone over 20 on the week of 5th of April. So let's take a quick measurement of that as well, where we could be if we are to grow in the similar percentage that we grew in the last times, 392%. So let's say we grow by close to 392%, right? And let's say we again cover this around 120 days, so that would be around close to 4 months or so. So that is taking Ethereum at a massive price of $10,000, and that is where we believe that Ethereum could hit a major milestone, right? So this stochastic RSI cross is very bullish in the midterm, and the timeline that we are looking at is at around July last week or August first week for Ethereum to reach $10,000. Now these are all very bullish scenarios, right? So but why I stated at the beginning of the video that there are some concerns to me about the Ethereum chart, but so far we haven't seen any. So what could be some of the concerns? So what we need to do is we will plot the FibZia first. Okay, so on the FibZia, what we are seeing is since the week of 29th of March, we have been actually continuously poking out of the upper zone of the FibZia, right? And in one of our videos, we have seen that whenever we peak out of the FibZia zone, it could be on the upside or it could be on the downside, we generally see a reversal in the price pattern. So what is it that I am expecting for the short term? In the short term, I am expecting within the next week or the couple of weeks, Ethereum might actually have a correction and we might enter the zone at around 1900 or so. Okay, it could be the zone around 2000, 1900, it could be around those zones, wherein Ethereum could actually enter this dark green zone, which could again prove to be a great buying opportunity. Now, mind you, I am not your financial advisor. These are all my personal opinions. You can do your own research before investing. But we have seen in the past that whenever any chart enters into this dark green zone and we are into a bull market, it proves to be a great buying opportunity. Now, there's one other thing which is of concern to me. For that, let's go to the daily chart. So we are currently on the daily chart and we want to plot the RSI. So on the RSI, what we are seeing is a kind of a head and shoulder model is playing out on the daily RSI, right? So basically what we can see is this could be our shoulder, first shoulder, this could be our head, and this could be our final shoulder, right? So this is a bearish pattern that is getting played out. So we have a support at around the levels of 51 or 52. So what can we expect? Normally how a head and shoulder breaks down is basically it actually we take the height of the head from the base and we actually put it downwards, right? So what we can see here is if we are to move down, so we will click the level of around 29, right? So that could be again not very healthy for Ethereum in the short term, but in the long term we are very bullish. Now there's one more thing on the weekly chart that I would like to showcase to you. So we are on the weekly chart of Ethereum, right? And there is one pattern which is getting played out right from the end of the previous bull cycle, and that is a beautiful cup is getting formed over here. Okay, now what happens after a cup is generally we form an handle, and it actually is the period of consolidation before we take off. So this is again a very bullish pattern. Okay, make no mistake about it, this is very bullish. But in the short term we might see Ethereum consolidate around these levels of 1900 and 2000s. The bull market support band is currently at around 1635 to 1668, but I don't think so we are gonna get that low, because by the time Ethereum comes down, this would actually grow towards the north a bit, because this is increasing every single day. So from the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, what I feel is generally we might enter a small phase of consolidation going in the near future. It may start as soon as a couple of weeks from now. Now let's go on to the Ethereum Bitcoin chart and let's see what we have in store for us over there. Before that, make sure you join our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description below, wherein we discuss more about any other coins that you have or any coin you want us to analyze. So you can actually go there, and if you have any doubts, you can ask our community. Either me or someone from the community will actually help you. Now let's jump back to the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. So on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we have been forming this passage since the beginning of September 2019. So we have been in this channel for that long, and we have been continuously hitting the the upper range of this zone and then coming back and correcting ourselves, and this has been going on for quite a few times. Now we are currently on the way up, right? And if we continue our way up, the top could be for this zone could be at around 0.053 Bitcoin. But this is always not the case, that once we start a move upwards, we continue to go up and touch this trend line. It's not been the case all the time, right? Here we see a couple of times where we started, and in the midway we got a correction and we came back, right? In April 2020 as well as November 2020 as well, right, where we actually broke below. We had a couple of weeks below this zone as well. Now what am I expecting? To be honest with you, if the things are not in confluence, like everything is not indicating that we might move north, I see that probably this could be another time where we don't reach the top and we come down and test these levels again, or probably this zone of around 0.03 Ethereum. Not saying for sure that this is gonna happen, but the probability of this looks quite high to me. Okay, now there's one more thing that is of worry to me, and for that we'll go to the RSI. So we have started forming this bearish divergence from August of 2020. So what I mean by bearish divergence is basically when the price clicks a higher high and the RSI actually clicks a lower high, right? So this has been happening since August. So we clicked a new higher high in the price, but the RSI clicked, so it was at its peak. Then in January 2021 we clicked a new higher high, but the RSI was created a lower high. This time around also we created a higher high in the week of 26th April, but the RSI, as you can see, clicked a lower high. So this is actually a very bearish kind of a scenario that we have on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Also, one more thing to be concerned about is basically we are in the form of in the middle of probably forming a descending triangle, which is again bearish. So we have seen similar patterns that were getting played out in the Bitcoin chart, and then we saw Bitcoin correct a bit. So the probabilities for Ethereum correcting from these levels are very high. And if you are to ask me what are the levels that I am expecting Ethereum to correct by, is probably around the $1,900 or $2,000 level, wherein Ethereum could come down, and that could be a good buying opportunity for us in the mid to the long term. Mind you, our price targets for Ethereum in this market cycle is at around $10,000. I believe it will definitely click the $10,000 mark. Whether it will be able to sustain at those prices or not is a question that will be answered only when the time comes. But for me, I am keeping my eyes glued on Ethereum at the moment, and just expecting that this actually we are able to break these kind of patterns that are forming on the RSI and also on the Fibs-Zia retracement tool. So if you like the content, make sure you subscribe to our channel and smash the like button. Also do comment if you are planning to buy Ethereum anytime soon, or if there is any other coin that you would like us to analyze for you. Also, what you can do is you can head over to our website cryptobullsclub.com and book a crypto consulting session, wherein it would be a one-on-one session with our experts on your portfolio, on your choice of coin, and it will be a paid service. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Make sure you take very good care of yourself. These are difficult times currently in our country. Do stay at home as much as possible, but take very good care of yourself and your family, and share this video with at least one person in your network and give them the chance to change their lives for good. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.